Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are discussing the textual activities of the lesson Billu the dog. We know our Billu was very old and weak, so the farmer decided to throw him out. But the fox's idea saved Billu, so Billu wanted to thank him. Our first activity is the conversation between Billu and his friend the fox. Let us do it. Activity 1. The fox's idea saved Billu. Billu was very happy. He ran to the forest and met the fox. Continue the conversation. Billu. Oh, my dear friend, your idea saved me. Fox. Are you happy now? Billu. Yes, I'm very happy. Thank you, dear. Fox. Say thanks to God. Now let us move to the second activity. Here we have to write the animals and its young ones. Activity 2. Billu served his master from the time he was a pup. The young one of a dog is called a pup or puppy. Complete the table given below suitably. Animals and young ones: dog, puppy, cat, kitten, cow, calf, lion, cub, pig, piglet, elephant, calf, duck, duckling, horse, foal, sheep, lamb, hen, chick, tiger, cub. Okay, now the third activity. The farmer and his family lived in a small house. The farmer made a kennel for Billu. Where do the following animals and birds live? Match the animals with their homes by drawing connecting lines. Which is the first animal? Yes, it is a dog. Where do dogs live? Can you identify his home? Yes, this is his home and is called a kennel. Which is this animal? Yes, this is a pig. Which is his home? Yes, it is his home and is called sty. Who is this? Yes, we all know it well. This is a hen and we know its home also. Yes, this is our hen's home and is called coop. Wow, cow. Which is cow's home? Yeah, cowshed. It is also very familiar to us, isn't it? The next is a horse. Do you know its home? Stable. Horse's home is called stable. Dog lives in kennel. Pig lives in sty. Hen lives in coop. Cow lives in cowshed. Horse lives in stable. Now, let us move to the next activity. It is about the use of the preposition with. Activity 4. Read the following sentence from the story. The sentence is: the farmer went to the field with his wife. We use the word with to talk about connections between people and things. Now, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Look at the first picture. Here we can see our farmer and his dog Billu, and they are going home. Now, look the sentence. Billu is going home with the farmer. Next picture. Here we can see a little girl and her father. The sentence given is Anu is going to school. Dash, there we have to complete. Okay, how can we complete it? Anu is going to school with her father, we can write. Okay, now to the next picture. Two boys are there, they are playing. How can we complete the sentence? The sentence given is Rafiq is dash his friend. We have to complete it. How can we complete it? We can write Rafiq is playing with his friend. Okay, the last picture. In this picture, we can see a little girl, a baby, and their mother also. And we can see they are sleeping. The sentence given is Jesse is sleeping dash. There we have to complete. How can we complete it? Yes, we can write it like this. Jessie is sleeping with her mother and brother. I think it is clear for you. You should try to frame more sentences using with. For example, when you are going to play, you can say I'm going to play with my friends. Or you can say I'm going to play with my brother or with my sister. Or else you can use I'm going to play with my pet animal. Like that you can use, and you should try it. Next is a crossword puzzle. Activity 5. There are names of some animals and birds in Billu's trolley. Pick and place them in the boxes to complete the crossword. Clues are also given here to help you. Okay, let us do it. First one, the largest animal on land. We know it is elephant. We have to fill the answer here across. First one, elephant, ELEPHANT. Okay, the next one, the king of the forest. Who is the king of the forest? Yes, lion. Second one, we have to fill here LION, lion. Okay, now the third, an animal that eats grass and runs fast. Which is that animal? Yes, it is deer. We have to fill it here. DEER, deer. Okay. The fourth one, the sheep of the desert. Who is the sheep of the desert? Yes, it is camel. Fourth one, here we have to fill it. CAMEL, camel. Okay. Now move to the downward clues. Third one, the clue is quacks. Okay, third one, here we have to fill. D is here, so who is quacks? Okay, duck, it is clear. Okay, DUCK, duck. Fifth one, gives egg. Who gives egg? The fifth one, HEN, hen. Okay, the next one, sixth one, kings travel on its back. Do you know? Sixth one starts with the H. Second letter O. Third letter R. Yes, it is clear. Horse. 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 Okay. Activity 6. Read the following sentences. The thieves are not scared of him. Second sentence. The thieves aren't scared of him. What difference do you observe in these two sentences? In the first sentence, we can see the thieves are not scared of him. But in the second sentence, its contracted form is used. Are not, aren't is used here. The thieves aren't scared of him. Which sentence of the two is used in the story? In page number 8, we can see the sentence. Second sentence is used here. The thieves aren't scared of him. Now, use the contracted forms of the words in the boxes and the expanded form in the ovals. First one, do not worry, I have an idea. Here, do not is used. We have to use its contracted form in the box. How can we use do not? What is its contracted form? Don't. Okay. Don't worry, I have an idea. Did you get it? Next one. I won't throw him out. Won't is used. Contracted form is used. We have to expand it. What is its expanded form? Will not. Okay, how will you write? I will not throw him out. Next one. Let us go home. Let us. Expanded form is used and we have to use its contracted form. What is its contracted form? Let's. Okay, let's go home. Next one. Oh, Billu is attacking the fox. Here, Billu is contracted form is used and we have to write its expanded form. How will you write? Oh, Billu is attacking the fox. Next one. What will I do now? Here, expanded form is used. Box is given. We have to use its contracted form. What will? How can we write what will? Yes, what will I do now? Next one. I have an idea. Here, contracted form is used and we have to write its expanded form in the ovals. Okay, how will you write? I have an idea. Next is a project work. Find out your friends' pets. List them as given in the table below. A sample is done for you. Name of student Suresh, pet dog, what it does, guards home, where it lives, kennel. Now write in your notebook about your friends' pets. Draw their pictures or paste photos along with the descriptions. One is done for you. Suresh has a dog. It is called Pepper. It guards his house. It is kept in a kennel. Now we have to complete the table. Name of student, pets, what it does and where it lives we have to write. Okay, first one. Name of student, Appu. Pet, cow. What it does, gives milk. Where it lives, shed. Next, Shari, hen, gives egg, coop. Next, Anu, Maina, sings, cage. Manu, parrot, talks, cage. Now we have to write the description. Let us do it. Appu has a cow. It is called Kingini. It gives milk and it is kept in a shed. Shari. Shari has a hen named Sundari. It gives egg. It is kept in a coop. Anu has a Maina named Kali. It sings beautifully. It is kept in a cage. Manu has a parrot named Punnari. It talks well. It is kept in a cage. Next one is a puzzle. Here you have to trace the words you came across in the story. Let us trace the words. A new word which we have studied in the story, patted, is given here. Another word, teeth, is also we can see here. Look here, we can see the word whisper. The word affectionately is here. Dinner, here old, woods, stupid, farmer, field, puppy, attack, wife, faithful, wave. All these words we can trace out. Now arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay, let us arrange the words in alphabetical order and we have to refer to a dictionary and write the meaning of the words also. Let's go through the meanings also. Affectionately, in a way that shows love. Attack, try to hurt or defeat using violence. Dinner, the main meal of the day. Faithful, loyal. Farmer, one who works in a field. Field, an area of land for crops. Old, showing signs of age. Patted, tapped quickly and gently with the hand flash. Puppy, young one of the dog. Teeth, plural of tooth. Wave, make something to move from side to side. Whisper, speak very softly using one's breath. Wife, a married woman in relation to her husband. Woods, an area with a thick growth of trees, smaller than a forest. Next puzzle icon is so simple. Here we have to write the answers in these boxes. First one, I know that Billu saved the baby, Baby. I know where the farmer worked. Answer is field, Field. I know that Billu guarded the little child when it was dash, sleeping, Sleeping. I know where Billu lives, kennel, Kennel. I know that finally the farmer understood his decision to throw Billu out was dash, stupid, Stupid. Okay, now write the letters found in the circles together. Then we will get the name of the farmer's pet. Okay, let us do it. Billu. Yes, it is our Billu.